Did you know that broccoli contains more protein than steak? That's right. Now let's dive deeper into this fascinating world of broccoli. This green powerhouse is more than just a side dish. It's a nutritional superstar, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From boosting your immune system to supporting brain health, broccoli has it all. It's the superhero of veggies that your body will thank you for. However, as amazing as broccoli is, it may have some side effects. Curious? Let's find out. While broccoli is a health powerhouse, it can also make you gassy. You see, broccoli belongs to the cruciferous family, alongside kale, cauliflower, and cabbage. These veggies are notorious for causing a bit of a stir in our digestive system. The culprit? A sugar known as raffinose. When our gut bacteria ferment raffinose, it produces methane gas, resulting in those somewhat embarrassing moments. However, there's a silver lining to this gassy cloud. By simply cooking your broccoli, you can significantly reduce this effect. Now, let's talk about something a bit more serious. Broccoli contains a compound known as goitrin. It's part of a group of foods called goitrogens, which can interfere with thyroid hormone synthesis. This is particularly relevant if you're iodine deficient, but don't let this put you off your green veggies. Just like with the gas issue, cooking broccoli can neutralize the impact of goitrin. But don't worry, steaming your broccoli can neutralize these effects. Now, let's explore the health benefits of this green gem. Broccoli is not just a vegetable, it's a weapon against various health issues. Let's unpack this. Firstly, it's an antioxidant arsenal. These tiny warriors battle free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Broccoli's also a bone booster. It's brimming with vitamin K, essential for bone health, and it's a calcium gold mine. Ever thought of broccoli as brain fuel? Well, it is. Sulforaphane, a compound found in broccoli, can enhance cognitive function. So, eating greens could make you a bit more brainy. Broccoli is also an immune system hero. Its phytonutrients acting like tiny shields for your gut. Fancy defying age? Broccoli can help with that too. Its antioxidants and vitamins keep your skin glowing and your cells youthful. Broccoli also maintains dental health, stimulating saliva production, which fights off cavity-causing bacteria. And for expectant mothers, it's a prenatal superstar, packed with folate and iron. So, there you have it. Broccoli is indeed a superfood. But remember, moderation is key. Now that you know the power of broccoli, it's time to include it in your diet. It's a versatile veggie that can be enjoyed in multiple ways. Toss it in a salad for a crunchy bite, or stir-fry it with your favorite spices for a tasty side dish. You could even blend it into a green smoothie for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow broccoli lovers. Until next time, stay green and stay healthy.